So guys, we are going to focus on letter B, and I told you to try it out. And I'm just going to work it out over here and see if you get the same answer. We might not work it out in the same way, but it doesn't make a difference, okay? Just follow me and see if, or else if you want, just go to the final answer and see if you're on the right track, okay? So I would have done, let's do 2 equal to each other. 6 minus 5q equals 2p plus 7. Collect like terms. So I've got, now I don't want them both negative, so I'm going to do 6 minus 7 equals 2p plus 5q. Minus 1 equals 2p plus 5q. All right, and that's my first equation. Let me do my second equation. Let's say 10 minus 7q minus 3p equals 6 minus 5q. Collect like terms. Since I have the numbers here and the letters on the right hand side, let me do the same thing. So 10 minus 6 equals minus 5q plus 7q plus 3p. Okay, 10 minus 6 minus 4 minus 5 plus 7, 2q plus 5p. And that's my second one. Now I'm going to write them underneath each other. I'm going to do that here. So minus 1 equals 2p plus 5q, and underneath minus 4 equals, now I'm noticing that here the 2q, if I write it over here, there is a p, so I'm just, this one I'm going to flip them round. So with the Jafiri, I'm going to do minus 4 equals 5p plus 2q. Okay, I just flipped these two terms around so that the p is with the p and the q is with the q. I'm just noticing, all right? 5p plus 2q. I can draw a line. Okay. Now, I need to see which ones are the same, and nothing is being shown as the same. So if I want to remove, and I'm going to show you like this, if I want to remove the p's, I need to, and they're not the same, and there is no number I can multiply to the 2 or to the 5 to make it the same. So this I need to multiply it by 5. And here I need, so good. And here I need to multiply it by 2. Okay. Okay. Good enough. Let's continue, guys. Good. So that means minus 5 equals 10p plus 25q. Minus 8 equals 10p plus 4q. Now they're the same. I draw a line, okay? I need to see what sign to put between them. Is it a plus or a minus? And since they're both positive, I need one to be negative. I need to change the sign. So for me to change a sign, I need to place a minus. Minuses changes sign. Positive keeps it the same. Okay? So now let's continue. Minus 5 minus minus is a plus. So it's minus 5 plus 8, which is 3, equals 0. All right. 25 minus 4 is 21q. 3 equals minus 21q. 3 division by minus 21 equals q. And 3 division by 21 is negative 1 all over 7. Okay, equals Q. I'm going to leave it as a fraction, guys, because if I do it as a decimal number, it's very long. Now, I found Q. Let me choose one of them, and let me find P. Equals 2P plus, instead of 5Q, multiplied by minus 1 all over 7. So, if I have to do it, then minus 1 equals 2P. This is going to be a minus, and 5 times 1 all over 7 is 5 all over 7. So minus 1 plus 5 all over 7 equals 2P. So minus 1 plus sorry, I'm doing it with the calculator. I keep on doing a mistake. Minus 2 all over 7 equals 2P. And so this is minus 2 all over 7 division by I'm going to write down 2, which is equal to P. And so this, if I divide by 2, it will come negative 1 all over 7 equals P. And now I'm going to choose one of the equations. Let's say I chose this one. Let me put in these two answers. So I'm doing 6 minus 5. Instead of Q, I'm going to do negative 1 all over 7. How strange, they all think the same. Negative 1 all over 7 equals 2 times negative 1 all over 7 plus 7. So that becomes 47 on 7. And the other one, I mistakenly just removed it. It comes the same, 47 all over 7. So let me go 47 all over 7. What is 7 all over 7? So it is correct, guys. And that is A and B. So make sure that you got these two. If you did it differently, it's okay.